Who are you and you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright ways. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you, man. Ooh. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it.
Making up conversations, sentences, words, yada yada yada. What is everybody? It's your boy here, ACG Afro Car Guy. Of course, you know that because you're on the channel now. If it's your first time swinging by, go ahead and stop, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell icon so you can stay tuned and notified on when these videos come out. So enough talking, let's get straight into today's video. Today I'm Trey.
I'm Sarah.
And we're driving his
2015 BRZ.
Yes, sir. But Trey, you have something a little special about this BRZ. What makes it so much different than your normal GT86?
Well, I'll just let you listen.
Oh, whoa. Dude, that's so perky. Oh, man, that is nice. As y'all can hear, we are in a boosted GT86. But again, enough of me talking. I'm going to Trey get straight into it. So, Trey, tell me, what is your connection with this car?
Well, I saw this at a dealership one day. I used to drive a V6 Mustang. Good thing I got rid of that.
Oh my God.
And I took it for a test drive and I was like, wait, there's something different about this BRZ. And I was like, all right. So I popped the hood and I was like, oh shit. There's a Turbski.
It's a swirly boy.
Yeah. So I was like, all right. Yeah. I love this car.
Yeah,
so I was like, let's get it.
Wow. Okay, that is definitely a jump, but that is dope. So you don't miss your V6 Mustang at all?
Not really.
Whoa. Oof. Okay. So what's all been done to the car so far?
Well, of course we got the turbo. It is a Speed by Design 400X kit. You know, not the biggest, but power is 314 to the wheels.
Wow.
284 torque.
That's about like what I know these coming like about. That's about 100.
That's more than my Mustang. So.
Oh yeah, I'm getting to the ground. Yeah, that's very nice. Are you? Do you ever run into V6 Mustangs and pretty much put them on their face? What do you?
Yeah, I pretty much rub this into a lot of like smug people that think like, oh, hey, it's a BRZ. Let's fuck with it.
Yeah. Nah. That's your average BRZ, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, nice. Looking at the turbo, so how much, if anyone's pretty much watching this video and they was interested, how much would they expect to get into a turbo like that? Is it expensive? Is it a little bit? Is it reasonable?
It's reasonable. It's about a $3,000 to $4,000 kit, you know.
Okay.
And don't get fooled. It actually has good reliability.
Really? I know you.
Surprisingly, yes.
You know, you was telling me you had to let it warm up for a second, but I think you said that's like most turbo cars anyways, though?
Yeah, it's like a preference thing. You don't have to, but I mean, it's preferred.
Okay.
Because you could really mess up the seals in the turbine.
Okay, nice.
Same with whenever you're done, about 30 seconds after, just let it cool off with that hot oil drain.
Really? Okay, I learned something new, because I definitely would have thought, you have to wait for it to warm up, but I'm guessing when you can just turn it off. No, you gotta wait. So just act like you have an RX-7 or RX-8, guys. You
yeah,
get the idea.
Basically a rotary.
Okay. And I also noticed it's an automatic. Guys, get over the automatic manual thing. It's just a way of life now.
It's perfectly fine.
Awesome. And is it a 6-speed?
Yes.
Nice.
6-speed automatic.
6-speed automatic. Nice. Were you upset that it was automatic? He was like, yeah.
A little bit, but then I was like, you know what? I could still daily drive it.
Right.
Because this is my daily driver. So.
Right. Okay. How much power do you know to if like what's stronger, the auto or the manual? If that makes sense.
I don't really know what's stronger, what's not. has a little bit worse gas mileage.
The automatic has worse gas mileage than the...
Just a little bit. I'm pretty sure.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure the manual gets just like 1 more or 2 more.
Wow, that's intriguing. Okay, so what would you say you like the most about the car? I don't think I asked that yet. What do you think you like the most about the car?
Just the fact that it's basically an overpowered Miata and a bigger body with back seats.
Wow, I love how you put that because that is so, that is a very accurate statement. Nice. Okay. And what would you say is your biggest turnoff about the car? What's like, oh man, I gotta deal with this now. Like, what's the no-no for you?
How weak the axles are from factory.
So I've heard.
They get around a good 250 before they start to like not like you.
Wow.
And so I try not to do many digs or burnouts because I'm like, oh shit, it's gonna snap on me.
It's gonna snap. Okay, but is that like an easy fix, or is that something that's like a lot of money?
I mean, stronger axles are about 400 to 800 per axle.
Per axle? Whoa.
Yeah.
So you're looking at about a $1,600 purchase.
Around there, yeah.
Aside from installation, unless you're just a handy person. Okay. Well, we're not going to do the pool just yet, ladies and gentlemen. As you can probably tell, we're just leaving caffeine and octane. And if you're local to Atlanta, you know there are plentiful amount of cops in the area. So we don't need any unnecessary tickets. But
they got some crazy cars now, too.
Oh, man. Oof. But to burn the time, we could actually talk about what are the future plans for the car.
Well, I eventually want to get it either painted or wrapped. Like a deep green.
A deep green.
With like some metallic in it, either silver or gold, preferably.
Silver or gold.
I'm trying to go, like right now, if you look at the tag, it says Iron BRZ.
Yeah.
Like an Iron Man theme.
Right.
What the next stage is going to be Legend of Zelda. So I'm going to do green and gold, which is why I went ahead and got the gold rims. You know, we're slowly getting there. Okay, 1 second, guys. And we're out of the darkness. Okay, so I asked him, does he drive in the Sportronic mode a lot? And what was your take on that? When it's in like actual automatic mode, it likes to shift stupid early unless it's in sport mode. And sport mode drains my gas even when I already want it to. So I just kind of have to
shift to yourself.
Yeah.
But it's still,
I mean, it's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
I don't complain. So.
Nice. Okay. And you were saying something else a second ago. What were we talking about a second ago? Oh, has the car been tuned at all? Yes,
actually. It's been tuned by Reese Tuning over in Conyers. He used to be stationed in California. He's a Subaru specialist and a Cobb Pro tuner.
Wow, okay.
But since Cobb doesn't really do much with the 86 platform, I'm under Ecutech.
Yeah.
So can't really complain. Still works fine.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay. Well, we're gonna get a quick pull in real quick, guys. Says juicy. Oh man, that is nice. That is nice, man. I could only imagine how fun that is. Have you done any actual like? I think you were just saying the axle, but have you done any like actual swinging? Have you swung it yet?
I do every now and then in the mornings. Turn it into my work because who cares? But I don't really go and like swing it. Yeah. So
nothing too excessive.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it alive.
Do you ever plan on changing the axles up in the future?
Oh, absolutely. That and replace some seals and then hopefully get some forged internals, build the block one day. Okay. And that way I don't have to worry about pretty much anything. That way you can pretty much run it to the ground and they'll be able to take it. Makes sense. That's always a smart thing to do build-wise. Okay. What's up? Thank y'all for joining in and learning about me and my car. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Afro Car Guy. If you have any questions or comments about me, just go to my Instagram. He'll put it in the link. Hold on those dreams.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty